Let's talk about our bad boy ZBCN, the super duper awesome coin. I mean, these days it is the superstar of the market. It is sitting at 0056 and the retracement has started. I mean, there is no shocking news whatsoever. And I mean, the shocking news is that it hasn't yet gone and hit the target that I have for ZBCN, which is at 004. So it is still, there is still another 50% journey left from the top area of 007. If it had been 008, from 008 to 004, that's a 100% drop, even though it looks like 50%, but you do understand from 004 to 008, it's a 100% move. So it is a crazy drop, but in this case scenario, this will be a drop of, I don't know, 80% from 007 to 004. But retracement is a healthy indication because it indicates one thing, that ZBCN is creating a new floor. You need to understand that the previous all-time high of ZBCN was 003 something, 003 something. So creating a floor at 004 on itself is an achievement for ZBCN, and that shows that the overall trust of investors and traders in this coin is pretty much getting more solidified. They wouldn't let this coin go any lower than this. Why? Because now in their eyes this coin is priced at a higher price, at a higher market cap, and from there things are only going to get improved. And of course, as long as it continues to hold on to 0.004, I'll continue to sing the songs towards 1 cent. It can take months or till end of year. If it doesn't get Binance listing, it will take its sweet time. But the hopes and dreams, they will stay alive. And we are talking about 150% move on spot from 004 to 0.01. That's a crazy move, but crazy move considering it has already pumped 300-400%, and then you are still talking about another 150. It is crazy because from the bottom it will look like 800-900% of a move. But for all that, it needs to hold on to the area of 004. If it loses 004, which means that it closes 2 daily candles below the area of 004, then I think that ZBCN will get into a bad place. Bad place in a sense that you would expect some massive crashes of 300-400%. You would see ZBCN going all the way down towards 001, something that is hard to believe and discuss, but losing 004 will pretty much push it down towards 001. It will take its time, but it will go there. And then what we will see is that we will see a Burj Khalifa pattern here. This is one area, then it will come all the way down like this. It will end up creating Burj Khalifa pattern, which shows that all this rally in the ZBCN was totally based on emotions. This was more of a meme coin culture approach where everyone was thinking buy now, because if you don't, you're going to miss out. And then everyone got fucked up with it. But all that would depend on the area of 004. Until 004, it is bullish. It's a healthy retracement and meaningful retracement. Too many people bought it. It pumped really hard too soon, too quickly. When something goes up this fast, it goes down fast as well. But that's not bad. That's not bad because it is 50% of the retracement of the overall movement. So it follows my concept. My concepts are generally that if a coin starts from here all the way there, then a 50% drop is a healthy retracement. Super healthy, super bullish would be a 30% drop where it is sitting right now. But I know that it's a smaller market cap. I am expecting a 50% retracement of the overall pump, which brings us towards the area of 004. And that's pretty much it with ZBCN. As long as the 004 is intact, I will still expect it to go and hit 006, then 008, and finally lose 10 and 0.01. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.